Your doctor probably never told you this, but eating one raw onion a day for 30 days can completely transform your body after 60. And I'm not talking about your breath. I'm talking about your joints, your heart, your blood sugar, even your memory. Stay with me because what happens on day 7 shocked even me. Before I get to what happens inside your arteries, and trust me, this is the part most seniors never hear about, let me start from day 1. Day-by-day facts. Days 1 through 7, the inflammation shutdown. Raw onions are loaded with quercetin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Within the first week, seniors report less knee stiffness, less morning joint pain, and better sleep. That's not a coincidence. Quercetin literally tells your immune system to calm down. Days 8 through 14, your blood pressure drops. Here's what your cardiologist won't say at a 10-minute appointment. Raw onion contains organosulfur compounds that relax your vessels. Studies show consistent onion intake can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 7 points. That's meaningful for anyone over 65. Days 15 through 21. Blood sugar stabilizes. This is the one diabetics need to hear. Raw onion, especially on an empty stomach, has been shown to lower fasting blood sugar. The chromium in onions improves insulin sensitivity. Many seniors find they need less of that afternoon nap around week 3. Coincidence? No. Days 22 through 30. The brain boost. Quercetin crosses the blood-brain barrier. Researchers at leading universities have found it protects neurons from oxidative damage, the same damage linked to cognitive decline. After 30 days, many people report sharper recall and better focus. Now, here's the part I promised. What happens to your arteries? Raw onion contains allicin, which actively reduces LDL cholesterol while raising HDL. One study found regular raw onion consumption reduced arterial plaque buildup markers by 15% in just 8 weeks. One raw onion every day, sliced on a salad, with eggs, in a sandwich. That's all it takes. Your 70s can feel better than your 60s, and this is one of the cheapest ways to start. If this helped you, share it with someone you love. They need to hear this too.